Hey, make sure you watch this full video so you can learn how to win some free AirPods. Okay guys, welcome back. So today I am going to do a Funko Pop tour. I have gotten this requested so many times because when I live stream and I shoot videos and everything, you can see all my Funko Pops in the back. So today I'm going to show you all my Funko Pops. I have over 30 here, I think. Okay, so before we get into it, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Let's go! Guys, so first of all, I'm going to start with my first Funko Pops. These Funko Pops I got for fun. I didn't take them seriously, and I didn't collect them as in, but it was right here. The first two Spider-Man. Spider-Man Far From Home and Spider-Man Far From Home right here. But yes, this one stands up, and this one has a stand, but the stand is somewhere in here. So next up, we have Burrs from Captain Marvel, guys. If you've not seen Captain Marvel, why? Next up, we got the one and only Tony Stark. Yes, Iron Man, part of the Avengers in-game collection. I'm going to put that right there. Next up, we have Captain Marvel, guys. Look at that, Captain Marvel right there. So, I got Iron Man in LA, actually. I was at the Walt Disney store, and they had, the movie just came out. The movie just came out, and I got it. It was crazy. Sorry, I'm talking fast. So next up, we got the one and only Nick Fury, also part of the Captain Marvel set, guys. This is only 4, right? This is 6, actually. You got 6 right here. Next up, the one and only Spider-Man upgraded suit. I love Spider-Man. Guys, what is your favorite superhero? DC, Marvel, what? Let me know down below. Next up, we got the one and only, probably one of the best artists of all time, Bob Ross, guys. Bob Ross, wow. He's so calm, so collective, guys. He is amazing. Sorry, I'm gonna put some more over here. Okay, next up, we got one and only AJ Green. He is a football NFL wide receiver in my hometown, Northern Kentucky, but he plays for the Bengals, so it's about 20 minutes away. Next up, we got the one and only Dwight Schrute from The Office, guys. If you don't know what The Office is, what? Who doesn't know who The Office is? Next up, we got Dwight Schrute's best friend, Michael Scott. Michael Scott is personally my favorite and the funniest character on The Office, guys. Next up, we got probably one of the greatest boxers of all time. Look at that, Muhammad Ali. I got him at a store, but he's also from Kentucky. That's where I'm from. So I got him at a store, and yeah. So there's that. Next up, we got Gru from Despicable Me. Next up, we got another Dwight Schrute right here. I got all 3 of the sets for this collection there. I got all 3 of the Office Christmas sets. Next up, we got Vanellope, guys. Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph, if you know who Vanellope is. Next up, we got Metallica. There you go. Guys, if you want to win these AirPods, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe and follow my Instagram at brad.smith. 3 simple steps. Like this video, subscribe, follow my Instagram at brad.smith. Simple. There you go. Okay, next up, we got Groot from Avengers Infinity War. Groot is an amazing hero. Amazing. I like how he grows over time. Next up, we got Mr. Aladdin here. Guys, I don't know if this is going to fall. I hope not. But we got Aladdin there. Next up, we got Justin Timberlake from NSYNC. Guys, Justin Timberlake is an amazing singer. I'm trying not to do this a long time. Next up, we got Wheezy from Toy Story. Toy Story, wow. That used to be one of my favorite shows. That's why I got Wheezy, because it was funny. Next up, we got Joey Votto. He is an MLB player again for Cincinnati, my closest home team. We got Post Malone and Doug from Up. Post Malone is my favorite singer of all time, guys. Next up, after that, we got Jafar, guys. This is crazy. Next up, we got Vulture from Spider-Man. He's the villain. I'm going to scoot over here. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Guys, we got 4 more. This is my personal favorites. Next up, we got Jasmine from Aladdin. Next up, we got Prince. Next up, we got Peter Griffin. And this is one of my favorites. Guys, we got Hulk from Peter Pan. This is the limited edition series. And here is the hanger for Spider-Man, guys. So guys, do not forget, thank you all for joining. I hope you appreciated this video, guys. I taught you how to get some AirPods somewhere in this video, so if you've not seen it, go back and look. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe. I'm going to try to post some videos once a week. I love you all. Peace. I gotta box these up and hop all the way up the steps now, so I hope they like this video. I hope they like it.